In this video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper on your Mac. Just right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Change Desktop Background. You'll have this window opening up. Here you have the pre-built wallpaper that are coming with your Mac. You can select any of them and you can preview it, how it looks on your desktop. But you can also select your own pictures. Here we have folders. This is my picture folder, there's nothing. This is my download folder where I downloaded an image that I can select. Or if the folder where your picture is not here, you just have to click this little plus icon and you'll be able to go exactly where the picture is. Once you're done, let's say I want this one, you're just gonna close this window and the wallpaper will stay there. Thanks for watching, and please give a like and maybe even comment if this was helpful.